representatives of the new signatory universities will now enter the hall. The magnificent rector, József Bódis, will now address the gathering.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed members of the Magna Carta Universitatum, dear deans, the leaders of the University of Page, dear colleagues, distinguished guests. On behalf of the University of Page, and in the name of all the university citizens, I would like to cordially welcome all of you on the 29th anniversary meeting of the Magna Carta Universitatum. Now, I'll cordially welcome you again, and let's start the signatory ceremony again. Thank you for your kind attention.
Professor Francesco Ubertini, magnificent rector of the University of Bologna, will now address the gathering.
Magnificent rector, vice president, dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Let me begin by congratulating the University of Page for its long tradition that we are celebrating on the occasion of the 650th anniversary of its foundation, as well as for hosting the 29th ceremony of the Magna Carta Universitatum and the upcoming International Conference on University Values. It's a real pleasure for me to be here representing the Alma Mater Studiorum university community, which took shape in Bologna at the beginning of the second millennium, and whose founding elements, freedom to research and teaching, became what was later called universitas.
The magnificent rector, József Bódis, at his side, Professor Francesco Ubertini and Professor Agneta Blad will now welcome the new signatories of the Magna Carta Universitatum. Each one will now sign the original document and will receive a copy of the Magna Carta Universitatum. Professor Vladimir Suvorov from the Belarusian State University. Professor Agneta Blad, Vice President of the Magna Carta Observatory Council, will now address the gathering.
Dear Rector Magnificat, dear audience, I will primarily address the new signatories. My warmest congratulations to you on behalf of the Magna Carta Observatory Council. You have joined a growing community since 1988, when the University of Bologna was celebrating its 900th anniversary. And from 388 signatories at the start of Bologna, you are, as David just said, now part of 816. This community, as you know, find fundamental values, academic freedom, institutional autonomy, integrity. Those values are most and utmost important to serve our communities in the best way. We share these values over borders, over continents, but we operate in a country context. You have the double. You are part of an international community, and you, I hope, have easier to collaborate in an international context when you stick to our fundamental values.